Hi guys, today I'm going to review you about my new Pop-It that my mom bought me. So first, go watch the video that I unboxed it and then you can see how it went. So I'm going to talk how it goes. So if you're new to a Pop-It, do you see those little circles? Press them. Then press those, then they pop. Then you can do your next one, the next one, the next one, and then you can keep doing it over and over. So I got one that has eight sides, and it's basically a normal Pop-It. So yeah, all you have to do is pop those. And mine is red, kind of orange and red. So this is the end, guys. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.